Ignite your metabolism with this tea trick. Fire. Tired of feeling sluggish? Want to kickstart your metabolism? I've got the perfect solution. This simple tea trick will transform your mornings. Get ready for sustained energy and a natural fat-burning boost. Imagine feeling energized and focused all day long. No more afternoon crashes or sugar cravings. This isn't just about weight loss, it's about feeling your best. Unlock your body's natural ability to thrive. It's easy to incorporate into your routine. Just add this one ingredient to your favorite tea. Get ready to experience the difference. Feel the energy surge and watch the pounds melt away. Ready to supercharge your metabolism and feel amazing? Click the link below to learn the secret ingredient and start your transformation today. Don't wait, your best self is waiting.